Good morning, students. Myself, Deepa Nagpal, is here to introduce you to the new subject, political science, a branch of your social science. Today, I will be explaining you the first chapter of political science: what is democracy, why democracy. Now, democracy is a very familiar word for all of you, since you have already studied that it is a form of government. Rather, you have also studied the definition given by Abraham Lincoln. Democracy is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Today, I am going to give you an elaborate explanation of this form of government with the help of comparison between two other forms of government. First of all, democracy. What is democracy? Democracy is a government in which the rulers are elected by the people. That is, the people play an important role. Two other forms of government I am going to tell you. They are monarchy and dictatorship. Monarchy is also a form of government. In this, the power is in the hands of the king or the queen who rules the country. And in this, he enjoys absolute powers. He is not under the control of any constitution or so. And the second form of government is dictatorship. In dictatorship, the power is in the hands of the dictator or the commander, who gets this power by force. In this type of government also, people have no say in the decision making. In monarchy, the ruler is the hereditary. His selection is done on hereditary basis. That means when father as a king dies, his son succeeds. He becomes the king. Like in Saudi Arabia, Sweden and Spain also, we have monarchy. Whereas in dictatorship, I told you, the power is achieved through force. People do not select or elect the ruler. The commander, the dictator, snatches the power from the previous government. And such type of government, that is dictatorial government, is found in Burma, Iran and North Korea. So this was the short comparison between the three types of government. I hope it will make you clear that how democracy is better than other forms of government, and more detailed description I will be giving you in the next video with the help of its features. So that's all for today. I hope you are enjoying the previous lessons and will go through this chapter smoothly. Have a nice day.